When searching for reliable and efficient dumpster service in Madison, Wisconsin, we provide the solution you need. Whether you're clearing out your home, tackling a renovation, or managing a large construction project, we offer the perfect dumpster for any job. Our selection of dumpsters fits every project, big or small. From small bins for household cleanups to large roll-off containers for major construction work, we ensure you have the right option for your needs. Our process is designed for simplicity. Just a few clicks away to find the size that fits your needs, schedule a delivery, and let our professional team handle the rest. You can count on prompt delivery, excellent service, and competitive pricing. From one-time cleanups to ongoing projects, we ensure timely pickups to keep your site clean and hassle-free. With our service, managing your project's waste disposal becomes a breeze. Ready to simplify your project? Visit www.madisondumpsterrentals.com today to get started. We make waste management easy, convenient, and worry-free. Efficient, affordable, and reliable. Choose us for dumpster service in Madison, Wisconsin, to simplify your cleanup.